Hi, this is Debbie, and welcome back to Mom's New Life. I am talking to you today about moms who get very sad after the kids leave home. One of the things that might help you feel better after your children leave home is not to forget your personal hygiene. You can take a shower with your favorite scented bath bombs or take a long bath with a book and candles. You need to do something that makes you feel good. The other thing that you really need to take care of is your skin. Your skin, especially your face, will help you feel better if it's taken care of. I am going to show you what skincare I use and how I go about taking care of my face every day. All right, and the first thing I do, I am terribly allergic to scents and fragrances and things like that. So the only thing I found that I can use is BRI's skincare. The first ingredient in it is aloe, and it has lots of herbs and botanicals. So the first thing I do is I wash my face with the cleanser. And make sure you use warm water, not hot or cold, because that will help your skin better. Make sure that you clean the sleepies out of your eyes. It will help you feel much better and open your eyes. Make sure you do your neck too. And then the next thing I do is I use the freshener. The freshener helps with the pH when you are going to put moisturizer on also. So I put that on. You can also use a cotton ball if you wish. Now, the main thing that I do that really makes me feel really good in the morning is I use the moisturizer, but I also use a foundation. And the trick that I have, because my foundation is liquid, I take it and put a tiny bit in a dish, and then I mix it together. Mix it together, and then put it on your face. The moisturizer and then also the color will help you make you feel better too. I would only do this if you use a liquid foundation. Otherwise, put the foundation on after you put on your moisturizer. Because it's aloe, I can put it on my eyelids too. And then the next thing that I do, because I don't have a lot of color in my face. I mean, some of you have beautiful skin and maybe you don't need moisturizer, but I do. And then I use my favorite blush, and of course put it on where you put blush on. But my trick here is I also put color on my chin, my nose, and my forehead. It helps wake up my face and makes me feel a lot better. Now, if you were a mom who worked away from home and you wore a lot of makeup, you may not have to wear office makeup, but if you just put a little tiny bit on like I just did, it will give your face more color and help you to feel better. Okay, my glasses are in the other room, so I don't know. But anyways, and then the other thing that I was going to show you today is I made a jacket that has chickens on it. And one of the things when you're sewing, excuse me, is if you have a big one-way pattern on your sewing, you are going to want to, before you cut it out, make sure the pattern pieces are laying on it the way that you want the pattern to go when you're wearing the outfit. So one of the things that happened to me, and I was really upset with it because I was helping my dad last year and I cut it out at his house. Excuse me, I'm talking too much, I guess. Is I cut out the pattern upside down. You see, the chickens have a one-way pattern. Well, I cut out everything upside down except for one of the fronts. The front I cut out, this side I cut out upside right, and this side I cut out upside down. Obviously that looks pretty bad. So the next time I was home, I had to go buy some more material so I could make the outfit the way that I wanted. The other thing that I did is I took and picked a second color, so it would have a new look to it instead of just being chickens. The thing that I had to learn how to do on this is, because it was a jacket, for those of you that sew, you know, when you make a dress or you make a skirt, and those of you that are really good sewers making pants, you know that the zippers are together. Well, when you make a jacket, you have to learn how to put in a jacket zipper, because you know that it opens up on the bottom. And so I will put that on. Now I have a jacket that I can wear anywhere that I want to dress up a little bit. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and press subscribe. If you have friends that you think would enjoy my videos, please share this video with them. And you have a wonderful day. And just remember that I'm praying for you. And until next time, see you later. Bye.